Karma Studios, Ghana Education Service, the letter Abama, teachers are returning from a study leave with pay, no, say Omotima Lanche, official website for them to apply. Said the bear, I'm to me, I get it back into the teaching field. Now, my main phone call letter, I'm if you haven't followed this page, make sure to subscribe to our platform on YouTube. Any video about education updates be on hand on Sabekano. Now let me take you through the letter GES at the Babontin. It is very simple. I say all regional directors of education, posting of GES staff returning from study leave with pay. We bring to your notice of all prospective GES staff returning from study leave with pay that the 2025 posting form has been uploaded online for qualified teachers to apply. We encourage you to provide the required and accurate information as requested. Please visit a normal website number 2 to complete your forms. The filling of online posting forms begins on Tuesday, 4th November 2025 and ends on Friday, November 2025. All staff who are returning from study leave with pay are required to complete the form. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Angela from Poma and Cancer ono na watimi assign na afi so omode copy de koma the chairman GES council any de kan kan obusuya we letter GES edifi headquarters e aba all directors of Ghana Education Service all sectors. Almost teachers are etimi apply for a study leave kusua de na science suja katua na busia sabri akwanya ba se ombetumi asa apply na almost I get it back into the teaching field. We letter and it's all percent of failure what they are high cameras to use. We are associated with Osiok Multimedia and it's all open apply no matter where you are, just DM us and the checking will be done for you. So the buyer also beat me as I call in the teaching field. Cameras to the same kind. Make sure to DM us if you want to check yours and that's called the nearby cafe. Now Omotimi I am now. I wish I can give you the clue. My member and your manner when you're filling the forms, they will require your admission letter and after your approval letter and a pay slip and at the same time your passport picture and your Ghana card front. They will scan it and then they will upload it on the portal. Your passport picture no a white background. So put in mind say person who apply for a returning of a study leave now. These are the requirements GES requested from a more person more apply no or say you post you are going to upload your admission letter, approval letter, pay slip no, it doesn't matter your month as long as it's 2025 no, make sure to upload it over admission letter, approval letter, Ghana card front, you scan it and you make it PDF. Now if you passport picture now what me upload now bibia so at my camera so do any update about your education, we'll bring it to you right on this platform. Make sure to share this video to your friends and your colleagues and your loved ones so that they will also get to know whatever is going on the media. Hi, Karma Studios, and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Finally out.